How can I convert my coaxial cable to HDMI?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we are going to be discussing an interesting topic: how to convert a coaxial cable to HDMI. This may seem daunting at first, but don't worry, it's quite a straightforward process. Let's jump right in.
What are coaxial cable and HDMI?
Before diving into the steps, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. A coaxial cable is a type of cable commonly used to deliver cable television, internet connections, and other types of data. HDMI, or High-Definition Multimedia Interface, is a more modern interface that carries both video and audio signals in digital format. The need to convert coaxial to HDMI often arises when you want to connect older, coaxial output devices to newer, HDMI-input monitors or TVs.
What do you need?
To perform the conversion, you need a special device called a coaxial to HDMI converter or adapter. These are readily available in electronic stores or online marketplaces. Make sure that the device you purchase is indeed a coax to HDMI converter, not the other way around. You will also need your coaxial cable, an HDMI cable, and the devices you wish to connect, your source device and display device.
How to connect the cables?
Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of how to use the converter. 1. Disconnect all devices from power sources. For safety reasons, always ensure everything is unplugged before starting any type of connection or installation process. 2. Connect the coaxial cable to the converter. Plug the coaxial cable that comes from your source device into the coaxial in port on the converter. 3. Connect the HDMI cable to the converter. Insert one end of your HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the converter. 4. Connect the HDMI cable to your display device. Insert the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI input on your display device, TV, monitor, projector, etc. 5. Power everything up. Plug all devices and the converter into their power sources and turn them on.
Configuring your devices.
After physically connecting everything, you may need to configure your display device to receive the signal properly. Navigate through your device's input or source settings and select the HDMI port where you plugged in the HDMI cable from the converter. You should now be receiving the signal from your coaxial cable source on your display device through the HDMI interface. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a coaxial cable to HDMI. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember to always follow safety measures when dealing with electronic devices. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and until next time.